Welcome to the Disability Granted channel. Congratulations, you won SSI. So what did you win? You suffer a severe disabling medical condition. You can't work. So you applied for SSI, that's Supplemental Security Income. You didn't qualify for SSDI because you didn't have the work credits. SSI was your only other choice. Maybe you were approved at the application level. Maybe you fought through the whole process and won it in court. Maybe it took years. I hope not. But you won. You never quit. You weren't discouraged. You weren't intimidated. You went through the entire process until you won. Congratulations for that. So, what did you win? For one thing, you won a monthly benefit. The standard federal benefit rate for SSI in 2023 is $914 for an eligible individual, that's you, and $1,371 for an eligible couple. Many states supplement the federal benefit, so your benefits could well be higher than that. You also won valuable non-monetary benefits. You won Medicaid health care, which you badly need because you do suffer a severe disabling condition. You also won state benefits such as SNAP, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, which some call food stamps, and TANF, TANF, Temporary Assistance for Needy Families. Is that enough? Well, according to some sources, the average cost of living in the United States for one person with rent is said to be $2,213, or $813 without rent. The cost of living for a family of four is nearly $5,000. Of course, cost of living varies from state to state. That's probably why most disabled workers ask whether they can work while disabled. The knee-jerk reaction is no. You're disabled because you can't work. Well, that's not exactly so. You're disabled because you can't sustain substantial gainful employment in the national economy. However, the answer is yes. You can work while disabled, but there are limits. After all, you're found to be disabled because you suffer a severe disabling condition, and as a result, you're unable to earn $1,470 monthly. That's what they call substantial gainful activity. Substantial gainful activity in 2023 is $1,470 monthly. Next year it'll be more. The year after that it'll be higher. It increases every year. Now remember, SSI is a welfare program. SSI has income limitations. In 2023, that includes earned income less than $1,913 per month in wages before taxes and other deductions, or self-employment after deduction of allowable business expenses. Now, wait a second. You're wondering, wait a second, if substantial gainful activity is $1,470 and you can't exceed that, how can you earn $1,913 without triggering a trial return to work program or losing your benefits? That's a good question. And guess what? Welcome to the world of SSI. The answer to your question is that SSI doesn't count with real money. It counts with SSI funny money. Social Security doesn't call it funny money, but whatever it's called, SSI has not only income, but it has 5 incomes. Yeah. It has earned income. That's one of them. That's what we just discussed. Let's talk about what happens to earned income in the SSI world. Earnings of $1,913 are counted differently in the SSI world. Earned income of $1,913 isn't $1,913 in SSI's countable income. That's an SSI term, countable income. SSI has its own special funny money rules. To convert $1,913 in actual earnings to countable income, SSI deducts $65 from earnings, another $20 exemption from all income, and adds them to 1/2 of the remainder of what's left of that $1,913. Yeah, that's the formula for your earnings. You get countable income of $914. Man, a magician would wave his cape with that trick. Reducing your earnings to countable income benefits you. Your monthly benefit is reduced by countable income, however calculated. Earned income of $1,913 is countable income, as we showed, of $914. That just happens to be the federal benefit rate. Your monthly benefit is reduced by countable income. In this case, your countable income from earnings reduces your federal benefit to 0. However, you do keep your earnings of $1,913, and you keep your Medicaid and your other valuable benefits. You have more than twice your monthly benefit, so you did pretty well. Further, by reducing your income to $914, it's less than substantial gainful activity. Why does SSI calculate earned income that way? Why? I can't say. Is your monthly SSI benefit enough? Your benefit isn't enough. However, remember how Social Security told us that its benefits were never intended to be your only source of income, either when you retire or become disabled. Social Security benefits are supposed to supplement your savings, investments, pensions, and insurance plans. Well, how many of you out there have savings? Have you got investments? Have you got pensions and insurance plans? Have you got savings? Have you got annuity insurance or disability insurance? Any of those? I tell you what you've got. You have a severe disabling condition, no job, many bills, less friends, not much more, and you supplement those with your Social Security benefits, in this case, SSI. With SSI, the standard of income is countable income. All the other incomes in SSI are used to determine countable income. Countable income is calculated by 5 other incomes. Welcome to the world of SSI and funny money. Those 5 incomes include earned income, as we looked at, unearned income, in-kind income. Yeah, in-kind income. Deemed income, and uncounted income. Each has its own definition and is used to calculate in some manner countable income. Examples of how to calculate your SSI benefits is found on Social Security's website. How does your income affect your SSI benefit? Link below. You need more money. You need more money than your monthly benefit. Maybe you can work. Maybe part-time or self-employed. You really need more than your monthly SSI benefit. After all, Social Security said it was supposed to supplement your income. Remember that? What income? You've got to have some income to supplement. How much can you earn without losing your disability? Well, we looked at how to calculate earnings. What other income is countable? After all, you don't want to exceed your countable income limit of $914 in 2023. Again, it'll be more in 2024, and the years after that it'll increase with inflation. Social Security says there are other types of income. They include unearned income. Generally, that's countable. It includes Social Security benefits, pensions, state disability benefits, unemployment benefits, interest income, dividends, and cash from friends and relatives, maybe others. Wait, it says it includes Social Security benefits, but SSI is a Social Security benefit. No, it doesn't count your SSI countable. However, other Social Security benefits are counted. For instance, if you have concurrent disability benefits, SSDI, they would be countable earned income. There's also in-kind income, which includes food, shelter, or both, that you get for free or for less than fair market value. So who determines fair market value of that? Your social worker? I mean, are you going to have to rely on your social worker's estimations of fair market value for those sorts of things? Other countable income is deemed income. It's part of your spouse's income, with whom you live, your parents with whom you live, or your sponsor if you're an alien, which Social Security uses to compute your SS benefit amount. You also need to know what income is not included in countable income. Social Security gives us 20 examples of payments or services which are not countable income. Link below. They do include home energy assistance is not countable income. State and local government assistance based upon need is not countable income. Food or shelter based on need provided by non-profit agencies is not countable income. But if it comes from family or loved ones, it is. Does that make sense? Welcome to the world of SSI. Money someone else spends to pay your expenses for items other than food or shelter. For example, if someone pays your telephone or medical bills, that's countable. The cost of work expenses for items or services that a blind or disabled person needs in order to work, those are not countable income. Disaster assistance is not countable income. Thank heavens for that. The remaining 13 others can be found at the link below. Your countable income can't exceed the maximum monthly federal benefit rate, which, as I said, in 2023 is $914 monthly and will increase every year afterwards. $914 monthly for an individual and $1,371 for a qualified couple. Other than income, SSI has strict resource limits. Yeah, Other than income, SSI has strict resource limits. And you probably are thinking that resources must be assets, right? Well, not necessarily so. Resource limits are $2,000 or less for individuals or children, and $3,000 for qualified couple. Resources include things that you own, such as bank accounts, vehicles, there are exceptions, cash, and anything that could be converted to cash. There are exceptions for your primary residence and one vehicle, among others. Provided below are Social Security links which identify SSI resources. SSI is confusing. SSI is well-intentioned, I'm sure. And as you can see, I have many qualms and problems with SSI. But SSI is a program that provides benefits to disabled people. Perhaps it could be improved, but it couldn't be improved if we didn't have it. So for all the qualms and problems I may have with SSI, the inequities that I see in SSI, it's a program that benefits disabled people. Thank you for watching this video. If you believe it would benefit other disabled people, please share, like, and subscribe so that they can see it. Thank you for watching the Disability Granted channel, and good luck.